Hi, it's Ramesha here with Vocal Bliss, and today I would like to talk a little bit about the position of your head when you're singing. If you notice, if you watch videos of singers, you will notice that a lot of singers tend to sing pulling their chin out like this or up. And there's many reasons for that. One can simply be just bad posture and not really having learned how to sing properly, which is more with your chin, if not tucked in, but at least really parallel to the ground. And there's different reasons for that, and we'll talk about it in a moment. But if you have this habit of singing, pulling your chin out, and then also your neck going a little bit like this, I would recommend an exercise that you can do on your own. You can just, tuck your chin in like this, pull it in, and hold that for like 3 seconds and do it a few times. And gradually strengthen these muscles here so that they're more able to stay in that position. And at the same time, stretching the muscles in the back that tend to be a little contracted, often because of us looking at tablets and phones and things like that. But I would like to talk a little bit about what good posture like that does to your singing. So if you feel when you sing that you have to pull your chin forward, like you can possibly be singing without doing it, that often means that you have tension around your neck or your jaw, and therefore you really have to go in this position. And another very common reason is that people who don't have very good singing technique, and when they go into their high notes, they have to pull their chin out like that because they don't use their head voice. What they do, they push their chest voice up beyond the limit of what is comfortable and correct and not dangerous for the voice, let's say. And then the larynx, which is, we call it Adam's apple for men, but women have it too, it's just smaller. But this area here where the vocal cords are keeps moving up, and so it pushes against your chin and it makes you want to do that. So in fact, this is one feature of a well-trained voice, is that you should be able to sing also high notes keeping your chin parallel like this. So I would recommend checking yourself when you sing and see if you do this, because it's very easy to slip into that habit, even for people who have good technique and know how to place their voice correctly. And if you do, try to slightly correct it, because if nothing else, it's really not good for you to be singing for if you sing for an hour or 2 hours in this position. It's really, really bad in the long run for your neck and also for your placement. I noticed that when I sing like this, or when I sing like this, my voice has a slightly different tone. When I sing with my chin tucked in like this, my voice is naturally more resonant. It has more roundness and more, really, I think it's richer in overtones and frequencies. I can't really tell because I can't really measure it, but my ears tell me that there's a richness to the tone that is not there quite the same way when I go like this, or when I go like, you can even hear it in my speaking voice, I think. So I would really suggest, if you feel you have this habit of doing this, just do some exercises every day to correct it, and try to really sing consciously more with your chin. Like I say, it doesn't have to be tucked in because you don't want to press on here, but at least it should be parallel and not pushed down like this. And this will really, really help you, your tone. It will help you feel relaxed as you sing. And at the same time, it will be a good indicator for you to know whether you're using good technique or not. If you really feel that you cannot sing like this and you have to go like this, there's probably something that you're doing wrong, and so it would be good for you to check into that and see what that might be. It's usually unnecessary tension somewhere. So I hope this is a helpful tip to you, and I wish you a beautiful day, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.